we're going to review the Genealogy feature in Clarity LIMS. This feature is available in version 5.4 of Clarity LIMS. Genealogy View is an interactive and hierarchical view of the history of an experiment processed through BaseSpace Clarity LIMS. A genealogy starts with a submitted sample and progresses with nodes nested beneath it. Information is displayed in a hierarchy and shows parent-child relationships between these nodes. For example, a derived sample may be an input to a step that produces derived sample outputs. This sample output is then the input into the next step in the workflow. To open the genealogy view, we will go to the search functionality, or the magnifying glass, in the top right corner of the screen. We're then going to search for a sample. In this example, we're going to search for sample 1. Next to the sample name, there will be a little graph. When you click on the graph, a new page will open showing the sample's genealogy. You have different views that you can play around with, such as showing or hiding all of the files, or showing or hiding all of the custom fields. Starting at the top of the page, you will see submitted sample information and all of the metadata that was accessioned with that sample. If we click the plus button, that will display all of the fields for you. The minus will hide them. As you move down the page, you will see the protocol steps that this sample has been through. By pressing the plus and minus buttons, you will get more information on the specific step without having to go into the step itself. At a glance, you can see the QC flag. You are also able to download files that would have been attached to that step. In this case of Bioanalyzer, this could be a PDF summary file or an XML file that was attached to the step. If you wanted to do some additional investigation, all of the step names are hyperlinks that will bring you directly into the step. Then, if we go back to the genealogy view, you will see the nested samples. These are representative of the daughter samples. And again, you can see any associated fields that were captured on that step. The genealogy feature is a great tool to use when you are troubleshooting.